Hello friends. So in the last class we have seen that is binary operation. So in that might be I explained regarding the addition on the binary operation, subtraction, multiplication, and that is I think these are the two operations I told you with the two laws, that is commutative law and associative law. And also we have checked whether the given operation is a binary operation or no. Okay, those examples already have solved in the last video. Okay, so in this video we are going to see how to check commutative property, associative property, and one more thing, whether it exists the identity element or no. So, okay, so that we are going to see here. Okay, so let us have the first example. Okay, that is on Z, that is set of integers. Define a star b is equals to a minus b. A star b is equals to a minus b. Okay, now this binary operation or this definition, whether it is commutative, associative, and whether it exists the identity or no. So all the three parts I am going to teach you in this one example itself. Okay, so let us let us check whether it is commutative or no. Commutative property. So as you know, commutative property with respect to addition is what? A plus b is equals to b plus a. With respect to multiplication, a into b is equals to b into a. Okay, so like that, the commutative property for binary operation is, that is a star b is equals to b star a. This is the definition here. Now, but as per the given definition, what is a star b? That is a minus b. Okay, so a star b is what? A minus b, which is equals to. Okay, then what is b star a? If it is a star b is a minus b, then what is b star a? It is b minus a. B minus a. Now, here if you observe, here it is minus b, here it is plus b, or here it is plus a, here it is minus a. Therefore, they are not equal. If you are not getting whether they are equal or no, instead of this a and b, you can put the examples, numbers you can put it. Suppose if I take a is 1, b is 2, what will happen? 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. Here 2 minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, so minus 1 is not equals to plus 1. So therefore it is not equal. If it is not equal, then you can conclude that star is not commutative. Star is not commutative. Okay, this is the first property. The next we have to check associative. So for associative, the definition is a star in bracket b star c, which is equals to in bracket a star b star c. So this is the definition of associative law or associative property with respect to binary operation. Okay, now how to simplify this? First you calculate the LHS part, a as it is, star as it is, now b star c. See here, what is a star b? It is a minus b. And what is b star c? It is b minus c. It is what? B minus c. Okay, the next term. Now see, it is a star b minus c we have to calculate now. So for this whole part, b minus c, we just consider it is as b. It is what? B. Then we have the definition is what now? A star b. Okay, but what is a star b? A minus b. But in the place of b, what we are having? B minus c. So in the definition, a minus in the place of b, we have to substitute this second value, b minus c. So that is a minus in bracket b minus c, which is equals to, or a, take minus and inside the bracket, so it is minus b, minus into minus plus c. So this is the LHS answer. Similarly, find RHS now. So what is A star B? It is A minus B star C. Okay. Now, as per the definition, when the place of A, we are having the term is A minus B. Okay. But what is A star B again? A minus B. But in the definition, whenever A is there, in the place of A, we have to put this bracket value. That is what A minus B. So it is A minus B and minus C. B having the places C. So just remove the bracket. It is A minus B minus C. So if you observe, this is A minus B plus C. Here A minus B minus C, which is not equal. Therefore, what? Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Okay. So these are the two parts we have done it. One more part we have to do here. That is what? Whether this definition exists the identity or no. Okay. So how to take that? Identity element. Identity element. Means we will check whether it exists or no. So for that you choose one element, one identity element, that is let E be the identity element. E be the identity element. Okay. Then what is the definition? What is the definition with respect to binary operation star? That is A star E is equals to E star A is equals to A. A star E is equals to E star A is equals to what? A. This is the definition of what? Identity element. Now, so equate this both the parts to this third part, that is A star E is equals to A, or कैसे and E star A is equals to A, isn't? Now, so as per the definition again, what is A star B? It is A minus B. And what is A star E? It is A minus E is equals to A. First simplify this part. Now see here, minus E transferred to other side, A you transfer to this side, so it becomes A minus A is equals to E. Then this is E is equals to what? 0. E is equals to what? 0. Keep in mind, so we have checked for one part, okay, but when you are checking to exist the identity, you have to simplify both the parts, and when you simplify both the parts, you should get the answer. You should get the answer is same. Okay. So let us have the next one. E star A. So again definition, A star B is what? A minus B. So therefore, what is E star A? That is E minus A is equals to A. Okay. Now here minus A transferred to other side, E is equals to A plus A. Okay. Or that is E is equals to 2A. E is equals to what? 2A. So if you observe, here E is 0, but here E is 2A. Both are different. Therefore, you can conclude identity element does not exist. Does not exist. Okay. Again, when the identity does not exist, suppose if you are getting, now here it is 0. Okay. And here it is 2A. So both are different here. So we have concluded that the identity element does not exist. Another case is what? That is, suppose when you simplify this for E and its answer contains the variable, that variable may be A variable or B variable, then you have to again conclude that identity element does not exist. Okay. So this is the one example I have solved here. So let us take next question. I will take one more question here, that is A star B is equals to AB plus 1. A star B is equals to AB plus 1. Okay. So here again you have to check commutative, associative and existence of identity. Okay. So I will rub this previous part. So let us see the solution now. Now A star B is what? AB plus 1. So here A star B means what? AB plus 1, which is equals to okay. Next is what? Other part is B star A. Then what is B star A? B star A is not 1 plus AB, okay. See, when it is A star B, the multiplication of this, that is AB, and then plus 1. Similarly, B star A is what? Multiplication of this, that is BA plus 1. Then you may say that this is not equal. Why? This is AB, it is BA, but they are equal. How? See, this is A into B plus 1, which is equals to. So here I am having B into A. B into A or A into B, meaning is same. Why? 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 2, 6, meaning is same. So B into A can be written as A into B plus 1. So here both are equal. Therefore what? Star is commutative. Star is commutative. The next part is associative property. A star as it is. Now here again definition. A star B is what? AB plus 1. What is B star C? Multiplication of this plus 1. So that is BC plus 1, which is equals to. So first find out LHS. Now again you have to use the definition is A star B. A star B. In the place of B, I am having the term is BC plus 1. Okay. So what is A star B? A into B plus 1. So multiplication of this and plus 1. So A into BC plus 1 and plus 1. Okay. Now multiply A inside the bracket, that is ABC plus A and plus 1. This is your LHS answer. Now let us find RHS. So as per the definition, what is A star B? That is AB plus 1, keep in the bracket, and star C. Now as per the definition, in the place of A, we are having the term is AB plus 1. What the definition says? Multiplication of these 2 and plus 1. So multiplication of these 2, that is AB plus 1 into C and plus 1. Multiply C inside the bracket, it is ABC plus C and plus 1. Whether they are equal? No, because see here ABC and plus 1 both are same, but here it is A, here it is C, which is not equal. Therefore what? Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Let us find the identity element. So for that again same thing you have to rewrite. Let E be the identity element. Then definition A star B is equals to E star A is equals to A. Then equate both the parts to the third part. Okay. Then let us find now. So as per the definition, what is A star B? Multiplication of 2 and plus 1. So multiplication of this A into E is AE plus 1, which is equals to A. Okay. Now here you have to simplify this for E. Okay. So therefore 1 is equals to AE and transfer to that side A minus AE. Okay. Or 1 is equals to A is common. What is left here? It is 1 minus E. Now A is multiplying, transfer to this side, it will divide. So 1 by A is equals to 1 minus E. Okay. Now if you simplify this for E also, but it contains the variable, so which is not possible. You should get a proper number. Therefore which is not possible, isn't it? If you want to check this one, you can check it. This is EA plus 1 is equals to A. But again you will get what? 1 is equals to A minus EA, or 1 is equals to A is common, you will get 1 minus E. Again the same situation. So therefore what I said, when you simplify this for E, you should get a proper number. Okay. And here we are not getting the number, we are getting the variable. Therefore what? Which is not possible. So your conclusion is what? Identity does not exist. Identity does not exist. Okay. So for this example also, identity element does not exist. Okay. So I will take one more question. Okay. That is A star B is equals to AB by 2. A star B is equals to AB by 2. Okay. So for this again you are going to check the commutative, associative and existence of identity. Okay, so let us find first part, that is commutative law. So definition is what A star B is AB by 2 is equals to, what is B star A then? BA by 2. But as I told you, this AB by 2 is equals to, this BA can be written as AB. So again it is AB by 2. So both are equal. Therefore what? Star is commutative. Star is commutative. Next, associative. A star as it is, what is B star C? It is BC upon 2. BC upon 2. Then again now A star BC upon 2. Now whole value we have to consider as B. This whole value is B. Means this B place is taken by BC by 2. So in the definition, in the place of B, we have to put this value. So therefore what? A into B. What is B here? That is BC upon 2. And this whole divided by 2 as it is. Okay? Or which is equals to, I will write that here. Now see here, this denominator and this denominator gets multiplied. Means what? This A into BC is ABC divided by 4. Divided by 4. Okay? So that is your LHS. So let us find RHS now. RHS. Now see here, A star B. A star B is what again? AB by 2. And this is star C. Now here as per the definition, this A place is taken by AB by 2. So in the definition, wherever A is there, in the place of A we have to put AB by 2 into C. So that is AB by 2 into C. Yes, next part is, that is identity element. So for that, as usual, we will write that let E be the identity element, and the definition is, that is A star E is equals to E star A is equals to A. So let us take each part separately. A star E is equals to A and E star A is equals to A. Right? Now, as per the definition, A star B is what? AB by 2. So A star E is what here? A by 2 is equals to A. So here A get cancelled. So therefore left with what? E by 2 is equals to 1. For E is equals to what? 2. Here same, E star A means what? EA upon 2 is equals to A. Again here A get cancelled. E by 2 is equals to 1. Then here E is equals to what? 2. So if you observe in this example, E is to both are numbers. So therefore what you can say here, identity element exists. Identity element exists. So for this example, identity element is what? 2. Okay. So I hope that you understood these examples. Okay. Similar type some more examples are there. Please you work out those examples. Or it is there in the notes. Okay. Thank you.